Think so. Alright, go.
Alright, my name's Justin, and this is my bike check. I have a Fit Tech 1 frame with premium whiskey bars, stolen clutch stem, and a We the People headset. I have premium FYB forks, Eclat Bondi straight rim laced at Eclat Tech front hub. I have Odyssey pedals, stock cranks, I don't really care. Primo Annihilator sprocket, Shadow Interlock VT chain, KG C-Post combo, a G-Sport, Rolls Cage back rim, it says Shadow Raptor back hub, KG street tire, Fit FAF front tire, Demolition pegs, pretty sicky gnar. Yeah, that's my bike check.